Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Reishi tea using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 grams of dried Reishi mushroom slices and 4 cups of fresh, filtered water. This approach simplifies the traditional brewing process, making it accessible for everyone. We'll focus on extracting the beneficial compounds efficiently, ensuring a potent and flavorful tea. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Once you have your dried Reishi slices, the first step is to prepare them properly. Take about 10 grams of the dried Reishi and place them in a colander. Gently rinse these slices under cool, running water for a few seconds. This quick rinse is important as it helps to remove any dust or surface impurities that might be present on the mushrooms, ensuring a cleaner brew.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, for those who love healthy eating, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your Reishi tea or any other healthy meals. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's move on to the brewing process. Transfer your rinsed Reishi slices into a non-reactive pot, like stainless steel or glass. Add 4 cups of fresh water to the pot. Bring the water to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to maintain that simmer. Allow the Reishi to simmer for at least 2 hours. This extended time is key for extracting the beneficial compounds. After simmering for at least 2 hours, your Reishi tea is almost ready. Carefully remove the pot from the heat. Using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, strain the liquid into a clean container, separating the Reishi pieces from the tea. Your rich, earthy Reishi tea is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it warm or chilled. Any leftover tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.